R&B really feels like home, but I am open to making other genres. I have now a piano song out now. It's not mine, but I'm featured on it. I've dabbled in house, I've dabbled in deep house, so my ability to learn how to write music makes it easy for me to jump into other genres, so yeah. Yeah, I think people are so creative here in Durban. It's wild, and I'm trying to break the stereotype of having to leave and go to another city and try and make it work there. I just want to make it work here with all my friends. Yeah, man, if we could get guys paid and we create communities that can get guys paid, I think we literally don't have to go to Joburg. We don't have a reason to. Once we get a cool structure around music and what it means and having communities that can properly take care of all of our artists, because everyone here is so dope. Like, every mainstream artist probably stems from here. So us really leaving, we're taking away from what we have here and giving it to another continent, or not continent, but province, So I really want us to stay here and make this work.